In this video, we are going to learn how we can group data, or we can say outline data of column and of rows. Currently, I am in a list function worksheet. In that, there are months like Jan, Feb and March. Suppose we want to hide Jan month and we want only February and March month only. We can do that. To hide Jan month, first select January column. It means column C, like this. Then click to data tab over here, and in that go to right hand side outline section over here, and in that click to group, then again click group. The moment we click group, one vertical line came above January column with sign over here. Click that sign, January column will hide like this. Again click that sign, January column will appear like this. Same we can do for single Feb month and for single March month also. Suppose we want to hide Jan and Feb month both. Then click to Jan and Feb month both. It means select C and D column like this. Then click to data tab over here, and in that go to right hand side outline section over here. In that click to group, and then again click to group. Now vertical line will come above Jan and Feb month over here with sign. Click that sign, Jan and Feb month will disappear like this. Again click that sign, Jan and Feb month will appear like this. Same we can do with Feb and March month. Suppose we want to hide Jan, Feb and March month. So select this 3 months like column C, D and E. Then click to data tab and go to right hand side over outline section over here. In that click to group, then again click to group. Now vertical line will come above Jan, Feb and March month with sign over here. Click that sign, all 3 months will disappear like this. Now again click that sign, 3 months will appear like this. Like this we can make group of column, and in the same way we can make group of rows also. Suppose for example we want to hide each division. So first we will select all each division rows, like we are selecting row 2 to 15. Then click data tab, in that go to right hand side outline section, in that click group and then again click to group. Now horizontal line will appear in front of each division with sign over here. Click that sign, each division will disappear like this. Now again click that sign, each division will appear like this. Same we can do for north, west and south division also. Now taking last example. Suppose we want to hide east and north division. So first select east and north division both from row 2 to 29 like this. Then click to data tab, in that go to outline section, in that click to group and again click to group. Now horizontal line will appear in front of east and north division with sign over here. Click that sign, both division will disappear over here like this. Again click that sign, both division will appear like this. So like this we can create groups in Excel as per our own need. Try it out in your Excel worksheet. If you have any question, then ask in Q&A section. And I will see you in next video.